What if I told you that the rise of the most significant civilization in the last 1,400 years wasn't a historical accident? What if the exact geographical coordinates of its birth were encoded in ancient Hebrew scriptures thousands of years before it even happened? Welcome to the Paran Protocol. We're not talking about faith here. We're talking about mechanical logic and geospatial intelligence. What you're about to see has been hidden in plain sight, obfuscated by centuries of convenient interpretations. But today, we use the Mishrat, the scalpel of objective analysis, to cut through the noise. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 33, verse 2, Moses provides a cryptic geographical sequence. The Lord came from Sinai and rose from Seir unto them. He shone forth from Mount Paran, and he came with 10,000s of saints. From his right hand went a fiery law for them. Think of this as a signal transmission protocol. 3 separate locations are mentioned as sources of divine revelation. Sinai, the initial broadcast with Moses. Seir, the amplification through Jesus in the mountains of Palestine. And Paran, the shining forth, the peak signal. For centuries, traditional interpretations have tried to confine Paran within the borders of the Sinai desert. Why? To close the loop of prophetic history and keep the narrative contained. But from a mechanical and logistical perspective, this interpretation collapses. The text explicitly describes a progression, a southward movement of sovereignty. Furthermore, Genesis 21:21 clearly states that Ishmael, the father of the Arabs, settled in the wilderness of Paran. Historical records confirm that Ishmael's descendants settled in the Hijaz, modern-day Mecca. The wilderness of Paran is not in Sinai. It is in the Arabian Peninsula. The etymology, the linguistic root of Paran, holds the definitive clue. It is derived from a Semitic root meaning caves or hollowed mountains. There is only one city in all of prophetic history whose entire identity is built upon a cave: Mecca, specifically the cave of Hira. The shining didn't start in a city square or a temple. It started in a hollowed mountain in Paran. This isn't poetry. It's a geographical blueprint of the revelation. The protocol concludes with a staggering detail. He comes with 10,000s of saints and a fiery law. In 630 AD, a man emerged from the caves of Paran with exactly 10,000 companions to reclaim the center. He didn't just bring an oral tradition, he brought a fiery law. A complete societal and legal framework that changed the world. The coordinates of Paran are not lost. They are found in the heart of the Hijaz. So the question is not about faith, it's about logic. Is this a cosmic blueprint executed with atomic precision? Or are you willing to believe in the biggest geographical coincidence in human history? The data is before you. We have only scratched the surface of the grand design. Stay tuned. In the next episode, we dive into the Baka code, how a dry valley in the Psalms became the data hub of the world. This is the Paran Protocol, decoding the signal, revealing the truth.